So now is the time for planting. This is running for 7 days. I'm going to plant it now and I will keep it for 1 month. As you know, this is for Psilorhynchus balitora and Psilorhynchus sucatio, primarily algae eater. So I will keep it for 1 month for the algae to grow. As you can see, the light, which is the RGB light, is pretty close to the water surface, as well as the depth of the tank is only 15 centimeter. So given this fact that too much of light is there, I am hoping that algae will develop pretty soon. Another important learning lessons for me will be, I am using simple construction sand. Whether I can successfully grow aquatic plant using construction sand or not, that will be the experience here also. As you can see, primarily I use the aquarium beside this new one. Primarily I use soil, aquatic soil, which responds very well. Now I am using low-tech plant like cryptocoryne and bacopa, hoping that they will be growing okay in sand. Another important thing I want to check is there whether the plants I will be using like bacopa, cryptocoryne will come out of the water surface and grow also emerged in this setup or not, because the height is pretty less. Both bacopa and cryptocoryne, they can be tall plants, so that can be also observed in this experiment. So let us start planting. Enjoy the video. So we are at the final stage of this biotop tank. Now I have got all my preferred fishes here. This is Psilorhynchus species, Psilorhynchus sucatio. The middle one
it is difficult to see, is red nose shrimp, a native shrimp, which is a very good algae eater, I have heard. And finally, these are my favorite, Psilorhynchus balitora. So there will be 10 balitora, 10 sucatio, and maybe 5 to 6 shrimp. You can see the algae have developed because this biotope has been developed for more than a month now. I haven't cleared even the glasses because I want the algae to develop, and now is the time to check whether really they are good algae eater like Otocinclus or not. Finally, one more thing which was not planned, but I have decided that these algae eater, Sucatio or Balitora, mostly they will be hiding. As because they are nocturnal and most of the time they will be hiding. So for the purpose of the show, I will be having one more species here, a showpiece species that will be dwarf goramine. Also a local species, native fish, very popular, very cheap, easily available in India, and hopefully they will be the centerpiece or showpiece fish in this biotope. As because all of them are from the same water conditions, so probably there will be no problem of any kind of disease or aggression.